Sorry for sorry for the interruption. Pardon the interruption. That's one of my favorite shows. All right. So, when you open a package from Mobile Solutions, the most important part isn't anything but the mother freaking candy. God damn it! And this is why.
What?
Candy.
Yeah, that's a roll.
Candy.
But their product's better than the candy choice.
So, the Mobile Solution parts that we're unboxing today are kicker, subwoofer templates. Now, what makes these cool is we can go and make inside outside pieces, baffles, and all those things for kicker. So this car is a kicker build. Kicker gave us all the cool products for this car, and these products we've been waiting for so that we can make a cool sub box that we're gonna do next week to highlight all the kicker product and make these square templates for subwoofer baffles, and you're gonna see how that's gonna work. We're still gonna use CAD, but it's cardboard aided design. So this is, wait, let me show you. This is the L7 template. So this is gonna be the L7 Slim 12, the L7 Slim 12, the L7 Slim. This is all the Slim 12 stuff here, okay? Then we got the L7 Slim 8 template kit. Ooh, don't do that. Don't break your templates that are brand new. You have the L710. This car is getting L710, so this is kind of the gold. That's gonna put this down nice and neat right here next to this, so that we don't make any mess. And this is the 15-inch for the badass mother hunchies out there that want to be big baseballing dudes. We'll start using the templates, building the box for the Corvette. It's gonna get 4 of the L7S10s in the back to the owner's surprise. He's over there watching, that guy right there, patiently waiting for his Corvette that he's been waiting for years. Look, let me just tell you about this car, okay? This car will not go away because we built this car many, many moons ago, and he's crazy. He just wants crazy shit, and we got to give him crazy shit. So now we're gonna show you crazy shit.
Amp rack.
This is our amp rack. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the amps all the way in the back.
In the back.
There. Because my arc idea just blocks some of the subwoofers. There's a lot of time, and well, that's what happens when you don't really have a plan. And I fucked up. So that's why I'm here on my day off, still working, because I fucked up. So, yep. But now it's time to wire so we can hear some bass.